Well, we noticed that straight after the COVID period, our customers, especially in folding carton business, were facing new challenges. So it means that instead of running large order, the market was a little bit more segmented. So we are going to short orders, short make ready time, to reduce inventory. They have the need to be more flexible to address the needs of their customer, especially. So that's why we decided to recheck what our customer needs and think about the next generation of machine we need to develop to address this market. So in fact, we are today having two main platforms. One platform is a folio sheeter. The other one is a web-fed platen die cutters. This second machine is more designing for printers who want to make food and beverage business, but as well the general folding carton. When we say general folding carton, it's more about pharmaceutical boxes, perfumery, luxury packaging, for example. This business is the same, so we are going to more and more job change, more short make ready time to answer that market. Thinking about that, we said we consider our customer demand to develop a new machine, especially in the web-fed die cutting business. And at Drupa, we will announce a new product line to fulfill our customer needs. You have to know that web-fed die cutting today is not very well known outside North America. However, it has a lot of advantages. In the 1.4 meter width, we are going twice faster than flatbed die cutter. That's a huge advantage compared to the traditional way of doing folding carton box. As well, in this machinery, we will show a very short make ready time, which is very important for our customer. And something which is really interesting in the web-fed die cutter is, as we are running in web from a printing machine, we are able to nest the box on the web to avoid the blank link with a gap. So it's a huge saving on the raw material compared to the traditional way. So I would say we are going to promote this new machinery at Drupa because we see that the European market is ready now to consider this technology on their market. So that's very important, and it will be a big announcement at Drupa on that product. The kind of customer profile who wants that machine are more the guys producing food and beverage. That's kind of the key market. But right now we are launching this new product with very short make ready time. We are addressing as well medium converter as well, medium folding carton plant with a lot of flexibility, and they can take the advantage of running faster, running with making huge savings on raw material, but as well reducing the number of operations for the same result. So you have to imagine from one roll of printing job, you get in one pass a hand product. So that's the huge advantage compared to the traditional way of making folding carton boxes with a sheet fed press, flatbed die cutter and flexo gluer behind that. As an alternative to the web-fed platen die cutter, we are offering still our very well-known folio sheeter for small to mid-size folding carton plant who wants to keep the flexibility to buy rolls and convert into sheets in their own printing house. That's a big advantage as well on raw material savings, flexibility to make short orders, which is really a big trend right now. And of course, BW Papersystems is very well known in the folio sheeter business. We are leader on that market by far by putting folio sheeters in printing house and delivering the best cut quality of sheets to feed the sheet fed presses. So that's an alternative. We have a broad portfolio to propose to a customer, from very small sheeter to very highly automated ones to answer today's market needs. Today the customer were really impressed by the way we are considering their challenging by developing new product. After we have done this voice of customer tour, asking our customer what they are expecting for our product, they were really impressed that we are exactly answering the market needs of today and for the future as well. We are not just considering the challenges they are facing now, but we are considering the challenges they are going to face in 4 to 5 years to 10 years, I would say, which is very interesting, and they were really impressed by that in our new product development approach. I would say if you never considered buying a web-fed platen die cutter in your printing house, you have to see the machine as a one-pass machine compared to the traditional way of making folding carton box. So it means in one machine you are able to make the same final product, but only with one operation. But twice faster, which is really interesting, even faster in make-ready time compared to the traditional way, and you are saving a lot on raw material because we are running in web. As I mentioned before, you are able to nest the shape of the box to make a really huge saving on raw material. That's the three main USP of our web-fed equipment. We have a short make-ready time, saving on raw material, and running 2.5 faster compared to the traditional way of flatbed die cutter.